Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Leah with Skin Beautiful RX. I'm a licensed esthetician in the state of Ohio. I own Skin Beautiful RX, which is an online skincare store, as well as Actively Treat in Columbus, Ohio. So if you're ever in the area, I would love to have you in for a facial. My YouTube channel is dedicated to talking to you all about the vast selection of medical grade skincare and helping you to create the perfect routine to effectively treat your skin. Today's video is all about a brand new product from Sente, which is going to help treat anybody with loose, saggy, baggy skin on the body. With summer coming, I thought it was the perfect time to talk about this new product so that you have the confidence to bare your skin this summer. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I wanted to address what causes crepey skin. Crepey skin typically is found over large areas of the body, such as on the front of the legs and the arms. There are many reasons for crepey skin that include sun damage, chronically dry skin, chronic weight loss, really anything that accelerates our loss of collagen and elastin. The only way to counteract crepey skin, especially in large areas, which sometimes can be much harder than expected, is to find a product that only tackles helping to stimulate new collagen and elastin, but you actually have to deeply hydrate the tissue in that area. And that's exactly what the new Sente Dermal Repair Body Cream achieves. In fact, I have been using this for my legs, and typically if I put this on put a product on my legs, within like 4 hours I need to reapply. And this product I can have on 8 hours and they still feel just as hydrated and silky from when I put it on immediately. Like, it's actually the most hydrating product I have ever used, but it's so much more than a moisturizer. Like, this is a true treatment product. This treatment cream is truly like no other. Like its facial counterpart, the Dermal Repair Cream from Sente, which is their flagship product, they utilize HSA and different analogs. So first, HSA is water binding, so it's going to be very deeply hydrating. It's similar to hyaluronic acid, but truly actually achieves so much more hydration. But HSA actually works with our natural growth factors too. So not only is it going to be deeply hydrating, but it's going to tell our natural growth factors found all over our body actually work harder and to restore our collagen and elastin. It's going to ramp up our collagen and elastin factory, which is why this is going to be so incredible for anybody with crepey, dry, saggy skin. I just mentioned HSA is a heparin sulfate analog. It's a natural molecule that actually initiates our skin's immune response to inflammation. So really great for anybody who's typically very sensitive as well. You are going to love how hydrating and skin calming this product is, specifically because of this HSA. Now for the firming, this is really the exciting part for me. Like, Sente is known for their HSA, but in this product I really love the DSA and CSA, which are both work together to actually tighten and firm our skin. They're not working together just protecting our collagen and elastin, but it's actually promoting new collagen and elastin synthesis. So just in those 3 ingredients, we're getting deep hydration, skin firming, elastin, and collagen building. What's really exciting about Sente's Dermal Repair Body Cream is that even the wingman ingredients in this product are so beneficial to the overall integrity and health of our skin and our skin's barrier. Of course, when our barrier breaks down, that's truly when all of our issues start, including the crepiness. So I wanted to outline a few of my favorite wingman ingredients in the new formula. The first one is oleic acid, which is a natural antioxidant. Oleic acid actually helps to fight free radical damage, which preserves the health of our skin. Not only is it a strong antioxidant, but it's actually very hydrating. Oleic acid is also really important because it allows all the other ingredients to absorb better into our skin. It's almost like its own little carrier system, carrier capsule of all the other beneficial ingredients to get them deeper into our dermis and epidermis. Sente's Dermal Repair Body Cream also has macadamia oil. Macadamia oil mimics our own natural oil process and our own natural oil, so our skin understands this type of oil, and you will notice an immediate glow to your skin because that's because of the macadamia oil that's in this product. It preserves your skin's glow, and if you are lacking a glow, it will give you one. And then the last very important ingredients to me, I love ceramides. Ceramides are abundant in our body and really preserve the overall health and integrity of our skin. Without ceramides, you will be red, inflamed, dry, cracked. Your skin will just be unhealthy no matter if it's on the face or the body. And that's why I also really love Sente as a brand in general, because they acknowledge this and make sure their products are abundant in barrier repair ingredients, including ceramides. So this particular formula has ceramide NP, AP, and EOP, which all work similarly, but they work independently as well. Ceramide EOP, also known as ceramide 1, actually works in our extracellular matrix. They are waxy molecules that you'll find connecting our cells and keeping the barrier, because they are found in between our cells. They actually keep our barrier intact and keep our hydration deep in the skin. Ceramide NP and AP work more in those upper layers of the skin, very similarly to EOP, by making sure the skin stays very hydrated and our barrier stays intact. So all of these ingredients together work to make sure our body skin has ample hydration, is firm, glowy, and they help to regulate our growth factors and make sure their little growth factor machines keep working. No matter the area, this formula deeply hydrates, firms, and smooths crepiness almost on contact. Like, you will see a difference immediately, but long term, all these ingredients working together will replenish your lipids and ceramides, as well as kickstart your natural growth factors in firming and smoothing the crepiness in large areas of the body. And like I said, this product, I should have put that towards you, this product feels so good on the skin. Immediately be able to see a difference in the applied area, how deeply hydrating this product does on contact. So I wanted to show you a few before and afters, and you can truly see what a significant difference this provides. So this again is the new Sente Dermal Repair Body Cream. If you are looking for a overall more luminous glow to your skin, as well as an actual treatment product to kickstart elastin and collagen production, which will visibly firm and smooth crepey skin, then this is going to be your summer skincare best friend for the body. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful in learning all about Sente and their new product. If you have any questions below, I would love to hear them, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.